I am invited you to join my session, and you have seen the screen, a lot of students, and I have conducting a session online, English English language club. Okay, I am invited you to join our session, and you will ask them different questions, and you will tell them, and you will motivate, because my students are weak in English, but I am trying to improve their speaking style, and I am trying to sometimes foreign teacher to invite our session, and today you will already respond my calling, and thank you. I am thank you from the bottom of my heart, and as long as from my students. Okay, and dear students, I am introducing her. She is Alina. She's from Russia, and she's a very reputed teacher. Okay, and she is internationally has a good background, and she conducted many sessions about Microsoft. Okay, and I am very lucky to have. And when I called him, and when I sent a message, and he responds, and I can believe myself, he received and he responds very quickly. Okay, Alina, please tell me yourself before my students.
Yeah, okay. Well, first of all, I want to thank your teacher for inviting me. It's a great honor to be with you, and especially not during the lessons, but during English club. Some weeks ago, maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, we also had school camp online, and we had some English sessions with different teachers. We traveled around the world and communicated with people, trying to improve our language skills. As for me, my name is Alina. I am from Russia, and I've been teaching at school for more than 20 years, and I am a Microsoft expert, and I communicate and I connect with the students around the world about different topics. Sometimes we speak about geography. We play mystery Skype with many teachers and students around the world. We visit and attend virtual field trips with Skype in the classroom. And it's a great idea to connect and collaborate globally, because your generation is responsible for our future. You will be responsible for us. In some years, you will be adults, and you will make our life, I hope you will make our life better. I am very happy to be with you. And of course, I would like you to introduce yourself also. Give me your name, your age, what do you like doing? And after that, we can speak a little bit. You can ask me question, I can ask you. You are welcome, one by one.
Yes, thank you very much. And dear students, and Elena has already mentioned, and one by one, you will introduce yourself and with your age, and what grade are you studying now, and what do you want to become in future. Have you understood my speech? And then we will talk different topics, and you will ask her, and she will ask you. And in this way, our communicating will continue. Okay, please. Firstly, I am telling Galaxy J4. Please, mentioning your name. Please don't waste your time. Very hurry. Can you hear my voice? Galaxy Z4.
Sorry.
Who are you?
Hi, sir. Sir. Galaxy. Sir.
Yeah, we can hear you. Yeah, you're welcome.
Yes, carry on.
Sir.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
What is your name? What is your age?
Hi, ma'am. I am introducing myself. My name is Ariful Haq. My nickname is Arif Siam, and I am 14 years old. And my father's name is Imtiaz Haq. He is a senior officer of Janata Bank in Dhaka. And my mother's name is Muhammad Irene Parveen, and she is a housewife. And my brother's name is Waidul Haq Srizan. He is a textile engineer in Dhaka now, and my sister's name is Muhammad Habibana Sin Mori, and she was a computer engineer in America for 2 years, but she was have to come here in Bangladesh to, because my father was have a wild heart attack in last year, so she have to come with my Dulabhai, means my Dulabhai, and so my Dulabhai was going to America back again in January this year. So my sister is staying here in Bangladesh, in Dhaka, in Uttara. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Great,
Next,
great.
Mithi. Can you hear me? Hello? Okay, Niyamul Haq. Niyamul Haq.
Yes, sir. To introduce myself, my full name is Niyamul Haq Siam. Please call me Niyam. I am 14 years old. I am a student in Gopal Government High School. I am from Bangladesh. I am living in Gopal. I live at government. My mother name is Azmuhaq. My name is Gunar. Thanks all. Thank you.
Thank you. And next, R.K. Shupto.
Hello everyone, this is Uvad Shupta from. I'm reading in Gopalganj Government High School in class 10, section A. In which, sir, can I have the subject, please?
Okay, thank you. Megha. Megha, can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay. Yes, continue.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. My name is Mishkatul Minha Megha. I am 14 years old. I read in class 9 and I live in Bangladesh. I'm from Kumilla. And ma'am, firstly, I want to give you a compliment that you are too much beautiful and your eyes are very pretty.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Ma'am, I want to be like you. I also want to be an educator because our education system is not as developed as Japan. We know that Japan has the 100% educated people, but not in Bangladesh. It has only 72%, which I want to take at the level of 100%, and I am confident that I can.
It's a great idea that teenagers, students want to be educators, want to be teachers. I'm sure you will be a great teacher, and I wish you the best.
And I and some friends are working with an NGO in which we save our monies from tiffin, our tiffin monies, which is given by our parents, and we give foods to poor child, because I and my friends love child. We every day give foods when our school was starting, but now in this lockdown it is not possible.
It's
but
like
yeah, we would continue this till.
It's like a charity project, is it?
Yes, yes. It's a charity.
Wow.
It's a charity, and those who are deprived of education, and they have good ambitions and how to engage education, and those who are deprived of education, those who are poor, they cannot deprive of education, and they are trying to they're trying to engage in education, and they try to give food, because you know that our country is a third world country. Okay, our country is not rich, and a lot of people are living under the below the poverty line. Okay, and it's a great problem. Our government is trying to engage them, but due to poverty, a lot of students, they have to leave. A lot of students leave from school only for surviving, and they have to engage different kinds of activities, and they're trying to live their lives. Okay, and some students, I read about from a newspaper, they organized and they collected money, and sometimes they give those kinds of people, students food, and sometimes give their education. Okay, they set up. Okay.
Mega and the teacher, I want to tell you that maybe 1 month ago, maybe less, my students took part in one project which was from the USA, and the students create their own magazine. I can give you the contacts of these teachers, Susan. She's from Florida. And you need, I ask you, you need to describe your experience with this charity project in their magazine. I will explain you what to do. Mega, you will be a hero. You can write an article. It would be a great deal. Yeah, because the students around the world, they can know, they can understand that sustainable development goals work everywhere. And you can show that even in a small country, even in a poor country, children can be change makers. It's great.
Yes, yes, and your speech will be motivated by Mega, and she's very excellent, and I love her for her speech, and I think that she's trying to change our society, and if we can organize such kind of students, and they are students, but in future they will lead our country. Not only country, I believe that they will lead our globe. Okay, and those
global society, yeah, global
yes,
society. True.
Yes, global society, because the world is a global village, but it's a very
personally.
Yeah. And next time I will call you, and at the rest of the students, they will introduce themselves. Okay, Alina. Okay, and next, Shabab Noor. And I tell you, those who close to your camera, please open your camera, and you will left from our session. If you don't close and disclose your camera, you have to leave from our session. I don't need. Okay, Shabab Noor, please carry on.
First of all, thank you for allowing me to introduce myself.
Please raise your voice.
My full name is Shabab Noor, but you can call me Noor. I am a student and I am 14 years old. I read in grade 8. I am from Bangladesh and I live in the city of Mymensingh. I want to become an aeronautical engineer. That's all. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. The idea to be a scientist, the idea to develop the society for the best, it's perfect. It's good.
Yes. And
nice.
Okay, Maruf Hassan Albi, please. Maruf Hassan Albi, introduce yourself. Hello.
Maybe another one.
Okay, Albi, can you hear my voice? Okay, next, Tahir.
Hello,
Tahir.
everyone.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I can hear you. Hello, everyone. I am Emri Samuel Islam Tahir. I am in grade 10 in a government school in Bangladesh named Ghafarganj Islamia Gov High School. In future, I want to be a software engineer. That's all for me.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Next, Fima. Please open your camera.
Sir, I have opened my camera already.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we
Please
can
introduce.
see you.
Hello. Thank you for allowing me to introduce myself. My full name is Marufa Akhtar Fima. Please call me Fima. I am 13 years old. I am a student of class 8 of Kerala Government Girls High School. I'm from Bangladesh and I live in a town called Gopurgaon. My main ambition is to be a good doctor. That's all. Thank you for hearing me.
Okay. Next, Nahin. Can you hear my voice,
Hello,
Nahin?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm also fine. Well, I'm really pleased to become a speaker in speech, a splendid program in this beautiful evening movement. Actually, I am not a good speaker like you. I possess very little knowledge. So it's my request to all, please, you will ignore all my shortcomings. Always, I will try to my best to share with you. So now I'm talking about myself. I'm Tasbih Joy Nahin. I read in class 8. The name of my school is Kerala Government Girls High School. I'm 13 years old. I want to be a doctor because most of the people of our country are poor. They cannot get proper medical treatment. So I want to study at medical science and help the poor people. I am from Bangladesh, but I live in Mahila Khalishur, Gafurgaon, Mymensingh.
Okay.
I live with my family. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. I also thank you for your nice deliberation. And now I'm going to give floor.
Thank you, sir.
Albi. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please introduce yourself.
Networking. Hello, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maruf Hassan Albi. You can call me Albi. I live in Gopurgaon in Mymensingh. I am a student. I am 13 years old. I live in Gopurgaon. I read in class 8. My school name is Gopurgaon Islamia Gop High School. I want to become a doctor because every year many people of our country has died by cannot get treatment because of their poor nationality.
Great.
Okay, carry on.
Some students want to be doctors. It's so nice, so important, especially now during the situation with COVID-19. It's great.
Yes. And next, I am going to give floor. Ria, have you told? Ria, can you hear my voice? Please introduce yourself.
Hello, how are you?
We are fine, thank you. What about you?
Fine.
Great. Tell us some words about yourself, yeah.
Okay. My full name is Jasmine Jyoti Ria, but please call me Ria. I am a student of class 9 in MW High School. I am 14 years old. I am from Bangladesh. I live in Narayanganj and my main ambition is to be a doctor. This is the short description about me.
Okay, Elena.
Thank you.
Elena, I am giving information. Those who are connected on my Zoom session, they are from different parts of my country. Some of my students, but some students they have come from different parts of my country, and I appreciate them. And my ambition, how to improve our speaking power in English, because English is a global language, but how to improve. And another reason, our students are very shy. They cannot talk to in English, and they cannot try to speak in English. And but sometimes I can make mistakes. I am not a good speaker as like you, because you are a international level teacher. And last year I took and I conduct many sessions with you on Skype. Did you remember?
Yes, of course, I remember. And I remember that my students also took part in some of the lessons. You told us about the geography. You showed us the books, the students' books. Yeah, of course, I remember about that.
Yes, and thank you for remembering my session. And I hope that you will motivate them, and not only for receiving education, besides receiving education, how can we do for our society, for our country, for our global, and because our students now, they are students, but you and I believe that they will conduct. Okay, they will conduct. If we motivated them, they will engage in a lot of works, and if they engage in our society, and I believe that they will change our society. They will change, because different kinds of obstacles and superstitions, it's my great problem for our country. And please, you will tell them about you, and how can you and how can they motivate it?
Well, of course, it is very important not only to learn language. It is very important to be a nice, kind, and responsible person for your family, for the society which is around you, for your country. You must be the patriots of your country. And when you collaborate globally, you present your country. I always tell my students that the image of you, of my students, it is not only the image of our classroom or our lyceum, our school, it is the image of our country. That is why I want you to learn and to try to understand not the words, but the truth of the life, to find the friends around the globe, to help each other, to get some collaborative projects. Even with Russia, you can have some collaborative projects, because we have some of them. And for example, in September, we celebrate always Peace One Day. We invite everyone to join our movement and pay attention to sustainable development goals. But if we speak about language, if we speak about language skills, I want to give you also some tips. What is very important is that you can't learn language from time to time. You need to do it daily. Read more, listen more, watch movies, films, cartoons, some short videos. Try to speak more. For example, you can use the perfect platform for video calls, for video, Flipgrid. My students like Flipgrid very much, because here we can use not only our language skills, we can create something, we can do many things. We can make our video creatively. We can use emojis, we can use a short camera, we can use different interesting things, options which this platform gives us. So, do not forget also to learn the words, but don't learn one word or two words. Try to learn collocations. Try to learn sentences. Try to understand the people, and maybe write down the sentences in your exercise books, in your notebooks. Also, I advise you to use some digital tools like learning apps, like Quizlet, because they help you to remember the words, to remember how the words are written. It's a good idea when you can use your gadgets for learning languages. It's a perfect way. And the last tip, but not the least, is find for yourself a partner. Find a friend, a pen friend, and chat with him or her some minutes a day. It's a great way if you have a partner from another country. And if English is not his or her native language, because it's easy to understand each other when English is not your and his or her native language. Try this, and you will see that language will help you to travel around the world, to know many interesting facts about the globe, and maybe even to find a good job, which is also very important. I am sure if you have such a nice teacher, I am sure that you will get success. But not teachers, not parents can do everything for yourself. So you need to work hard to get something good. You need to change yourself to be change makers. I always say change makers, what is it? It's a person who likes his or her country, who cares about country, and who wants to change it for the best. It's the most important thing. So I wish you only the best, and I want you to be happy, to live in a nice country, to have health and wealth.
Yes, and thank you for nice deliberation, Elena. And I believe that my students are delighted to your speech, and I am always trying to tell them, and you are a student of global, okay, not only my country. If you do well, and you will serve not only my society, you will serve for global and for our human, because man for man, and we are trying to do how can we remove our obstacles, and how can we succeed in those who are lagging behind in our society, and how can we help them, and those who are engaged in, and they come to mainstream in our society, because men cannot get everything if we help them. And that's why, and I know that UNICEF conducted many schools in those who are third world country only for those who are deprived of education, and I salute them. They have conducted this session, and a lot of students are engaged in their school, and they are trying to receive, and they have already got a lot of professional training, and they are trying to be skilled in different kinds of professions. Okay, and as the students, we have a lot of duty. We have a lot of duty, and how can we beautify our society? Okay, and again, I thank you, and your space, they will be motivated. And now I am hearing from my students. Please tell, how can you enjoy our today's session? Mega.
Yes, sir. So today's session was very beautiful and awesome for me, and especially ma'am said that about a magazine, and that made me very much happy. So it is, I will never forget this day. This day is too much happy for me.
Okay, thank you. And Sabab Noor, please tell me your opinion. And Elena, I am giving information, and I am using Zoom free version, and I am 6 minutes left. Okay, after session, and next I will try to connect. If you want, you can join with us. Okay, and please, now I am listening our students' speech. Okay, Sabab Noor, please mention.
First of all, thank you very much, ma'am, because you shared many opinions and suggestions to us that can really help us. So thank you very much.
Okay,
thanks for inviting me, and thanks for your intelligence.
Yes, Fima, please tell me yourself, and how did you enjoy our session?
I enjoyed today's session
sessions very much because I learned from this session very much. That's all.
Okay, and Maruf Hassan Alvi. And again, I tell you that many students want to become doctor, many students want to become engineer, but you have to think that you have to carry on duty very smartly and very peacefully, okay? And you never forget what I am doing to, and if I forget to lose my service, and if I don't give my service for the sick people, I am become a doctor, but it's not our main duty. My duty, how can I giving my service for the sick people and those who are helpless people, okay? And you will promised yourself and before to tell us how can you serve your society, okay?
Sir, I want.
Yes. Alvi, please tell us. Hurry up.
Sir, in future when I will make a doctor, at first I want to make a hospital in our society for the poor people who didn't get any treatment because of poorness. I will give their free medicine and treatment for my that.
Okay, thank you. And next, Niamul Haq. What's your opinion? Hello, Niamul, can you hear my voice? Hello, Ria. What's your opinion?
Yes, sir.
And what's your opinion on today's session?
Thank you, ma'am. Today's session was very beautiful and I am very much enjoyed this.
Okay, and Alina, and I'm telling to you because most of the students, they are facing first time to speak in English and they are afraid, sometimes afraid and sometimes feel shy. Okay, it doesn't matter and you always motivated, okay? But they are trying to, because I am engaged them to develop their speech, okay? And I believe that now at this moment they feel shy, but it's a great opportunity and they have already developed their speaking style, okay? And now time is very short and lastly I am listening some speech from Elena. Please tell us inspiration to my students.
Wow.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. It's a glad to be a part of this class. Thank you so much, sir, because you make me the part of this wonderful class. And I am glad to say that I want to be a part of this class regularly. And it's a good, really good, yeah. It's a really good a part of time to our education. And Elena ma'am has said everything of his experience, and that will help us in our future. I want to be a doctor also. My mother's dream also. I want to collect a degree from foreigner, and I want to open a hospital in my village because there are so many people who have died because of they don't have any money to buy medicine. So I want to be a doctor and I want to give them free medicine, free treatment to develop my country in the hospitalities.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am, for being part of this time. Hopefully we will have this. Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, because you have told your in future plan, and it's a great inspiration for us. In this way, we will advance and we will serve in our society. Okay, time is very short, and